My name's Bernie Malone from Soft Rock Solutions, and today we're just going to go through some of the basic components of setting up the new Leica TM30 instrument. For people who aren't survey savvy, we're just going to go through some of the basic points. Okay, this is the Leica TM30 box. This is how it will arrive to you. And I'm just going to show you how the instrument sits in the box, because it's a little bit different to the norm. We'll open it up, and when it's in the box it actually sits and lies on its side, and I'm just going to show you how it goes in. Sits down and lays back. So when you have to box it up, that's the process you have to go through. So now we're going to put it on the pillar. So I'll take the instrument out. If it has the tri-brack attached, we'll take it off simply by undoing the screw. Now we put the tri-brack on top of the pillar. Once it's on the pillar, we can screw it on. We screw it on nice and tightly. Make sure it's tight, not over tight, nice and firm. And then we use the fisheye bubble to level the tri-brack. This is a rough adjustment, a rough level. After we put the instrument on, then we'll do the fine leveling. Okay, now we have the TM30, which we're going to put on to the tri-brack. First of all, we have to make sure that the cable inlet is aligned with the gap on the tri-brack. We put it slowly down onto the tri-brack, line up the 3 holes, and then lock it. Make sure it's locked. Lock it into position. And now the instrument is set up. Now we're turning the instrument on. We have to hold it down for at least 3 seconds before the Leica screen comes up. After a few seconds, the main menu will be shown, and the main menu should look something like that. And obviously the next thing is to check the leveling. We've only leveled it roughly, so to level it finally we need to see the F12. It's actually shift F12, shift F12. We get the bubble come up. We level it with the foot screws very finely, very fine adjustments. And when it's in the center of the ring, then we hit F1 for continue. Now the instrument is ready to roll. Now the Leica is aligned, set up, and now it has to be aligned rather with the reference station, which is the last thing we do. So by roughly aligning it with the gun sight on the top of the telescope and using the horizontal movement screws and the vertical movement screws, also the focus may need to be used. Then we focus to the reference prism, move it on with the crosshairs, once the crosshairs are lying on the prism or the pillar, then we simply walk away from the instrument. And the next step is in autoslope, where we set the horizontal angle.